Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Dr. Sani, for inviting me for inaugurating a special webinar on taking homeopathy into space. What I could understood from the theme of the webinar, yes, there is a need for taking homeopathy to great heights, building up more and more scientific evidence. Since we are living into an era of ultimate science, where we are exploring space, why can't we take up homeopathy to those heights? Homeopathy is an advanced scientific concept actually. It is beyond the realms of today's scientific world, and still to be explored on many aspects. But I could see in long years of my career, there are many unanswered questions about homeopathy, and that's why it invites so many of controversies. So I will request all our scientific minds to join hands. Do whatever you can do at your own level when you are taking up homeopathy. Good amount of documentation is required. We are coming out with a software database where you will be able to upload well treated case records with documentary evidences, and that will build up our testimonials that homeopathy has benefited such kind of diseases where other systems fail. Homeopathy is not simply white pills. It has a rationale behind it. The high dilution factor is not a hindrance to its progress. It has benefited the mankind since more than 200 years now. People are convinced with the effect of homeopathy. The only thing we have to prove is how it is working. As per the available scientific knowledge of today, many scientists have worked on under this particular area of explaining mechanistics behind the action of homeopathic medicine. Some scientists are called as nanomedicines. Somebody is talking about quantum physics, the hormesis theory, the water memory theory. But still we are not able to resolve this particular issue on many counts. Although there are a lot of studies of biological activities which have proved beyond doubt that it's not simply a dilution, it's not simple water. There's much more into this. This needs to be explained, and I hope in today's deliberations the participant will be immensely benefited from the discussions. Thank you so much for inviting me, and I will love to hear the scientists if I go through those recordings. I have an important meeting, so I will not be able to stay here for long. Thank you so much.